skiers and riders, I'm John, and this is your Sunday, January 6th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. The rain has moved out and our grooming team hit the mountain hard and fast last night. We have a total of 22 trails and 6 lifts running for everyone from the beginner to the pro. The park up on Franny's Folly is looking good too, with a few rails and boxes and jumps to tide you over till we have Hitchcock up and running. January is Learn to Ski and Snowboard Month, and what a better place to learn than Wachusett. With all our trails, new skiers and riders will have no problem learning and progressing. Head to ski school or Wachusett.com and start having fun on the snow.
You having fun? Is this your first time skiing? You ready for the winter?
That's all I have for today. Be sure to check out social media for any updates to the mountain you might need to know about. Have a good Sunday, and I'll see you on the slopes.